Imagine turning all your AI chats into a real digital brain for free. Most people lost their best ideas inside ChatGPT or Claude chats. A YouTuber shared a roadmap, but it required a Claude Code and that is paid, so we cannot use the Claude Code, but we can use the alternative of the Claude Code, but it's 100% free. So I rebuilt the entire system using only free tools. So how can we do this? So first of all, we have to go to our cloud. So we just have to click on our logo icon. Then after that, we have to go to the settings. Then in the settings, we have to go to the privacy, and in the privacy you see this option export data. We just have to press this export button and then click on export. Then it will send us all the data in the zip file on our email. You have to download the zip file from there. Then after that you have to install an application which is also free, Bastian. Then after that we have to use the secret tool, that is anti-gravity. Okay, so after that you have to make a new folder on your desktop and you have to rename it called brain. You have to extract your zip file in this folder. Okay, so now we have to open that folder in the anti-gravity and select, and here is our folder and here are all the 4 files. So now you just have to paste this prompt in the anti-gravity, then hit enter. It will take 2 to 3 minutes, then it will set up all the things. Okay, so now we have to open the Bastian and we have to open the folder as a vault. And we have to click on open graph view. So these are all our chats. We can enable tags and also we enable attachments, and here it is. Now every idea, project and chat is connected like a real brain. You can search everything instantly and never lose ideas again. For example, if you click on any chat here, then it will show you all the chats and all the dates and all the titles here, so you can search according to your needs. Follow me and I will show you how to build your own AI brain step by step. Okay, so now if you want the prompt, then the prompt is in the first comment, and if you are new here, then you just have to subscribe the channel and you have to press the like button on the video, and you can type comment if you have any question, and bye bye.